Look, that man is running frantically through the storm. The wind howls, carrying thick layers of snow, almost obliterating visibility. Exhausted, he was forced to stop at an open clearing. Not entirely safe, but his only chance. Without hesitation, he began to erect a makeshift tent, small enough for just one person to huddle inside. His hands trembled with cold, but each movement had to be quick and precise. He hurried inside the tent to change into a thicker coat to keep himself warmer. He needed to conserve his strength to finish the tent before dark. Strong winds relentlessly toppled the tent. Each time he tried to pitch it, it was flung into the air. He had to use every means possible, anchoring it with snow, bracing it with heavy objects, adjusting the angle to reduce the wind's force. Time dragged on slowly, and every minute was a struggle. He went into the forest to cut some branches, but they were so big he had to drag them back. Exhausted from hunger and cold, he quickly built a fire to warm himself up. Outside, the snowstorm showed no sign of stopping. It was getting dark, so he quickly grabbed a hot pan and made a quick meal to stave off his hunger. The makeshift tent stood precariously, but it offered some shelter from the fierce snowstorm outside. He crawled inside, curled up, and clung to the last rays of warmth.